The 2009 Toyota Matrix. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Toyota are offered, including a tachometer, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.